All right, guys, so what you're looking at is one badass RT, and the YouTube channel is called Neck Breakers. Now, the gentleman that owns this vehicle is going to do a rundown of all the modifications, and yeah, his name is Nova. Nova, how you doing, man?
How you doing, man?
All right, so you want to start off with some of the performance upgrades that you have on this thing?
Well, recently I did the Pro Charger.
Sounds sick. When that Pro Charger kicks in, you're like, oh yeah.
We still got a dyno tune it, you know.
Okay.
So that's coming up next week.
So you just put in the basically a supercharger, Pro Charger, whatever. It's running 7-8 psi, right?
7 to 8 psi.
Okay. And did you do anything in addition to the forced air, exhaust wise or?
Exhaust wise, I have Match X J pipes, cat back exhaust.
It obviously can move. Now, what you did visually is unbelievable. So you want to do a rundown of each of the performance, the visual modifications that you have here?
Okay, so we got the front bumper. It's a Sorona made front bumper and Sorona Hellcat hood style.
Sorona? Okay, so for all you guys with 14s and below, you could get yourself a Hellcat, replica, whatever.
Yeah, Sorona did actually all the body kit, the front bumper, the hood, and the wide body, OEM style.
Okay. And so these headlights are obviously custom as well. They look mean, man. So where are these headlights from?
Honestly, I got them on eBay.
Okay.
I like the whole style of it, and it's very
expensive?
different. Nah.
Okay. Well, I mean, it definitely gives it a nice custom, angry look. And so we'll work our way to the side over here. And obviously this is the showstopper. Everybody, I'm sure, notices the wide body. So where did you get this wide body? Because it looks spectacular. It looks so like out of factory OEM.
Yeah, that's what I was going for. I didn't want the bolts to show like some of the other wide body kits.
Mm-hmm.
So I went to Sorona, the same guy that mess around with the hoods and the front bumper.
Okay.
They're really good at what they do. So they did the whole wide body kit for me. I told them what I wanted. They accomplished it, and now it's available for other chargers out there.
Okay.
But
and how much is something like this? Just the wide body. What are we looking at here? Price wise,
since it was like a one-off at the moment, I did 4,500.
Okay. And so what would he be charging now that he's offering it to?
Probably a little less because now he has the mold and everything. So
okay.
I wouldn't know exactly the price on it, but you can check them out.
What did they put it on and then you got it repainted? Everything?
Everything. They did installation, paint, everything.
Okay. So moving our way to the back here, you went ahead and got some custom taillights. So where did you get this from? Because this looks so cool.
So they're chasing taillights, and I got them from Bangkok, guy in Instagram.
Okay.
He does them. Usually they're done for imports, but I transit to the muscle car. And it looks good. I had the vision way before I chose this car because it had the wider tail lights instead of the 15s that it got smaller. So I had that vision from the longest, and I accomplished it.
All right, and I guess the last point would be the rims. These suckers look dynamite, and you said that you were the one that actually designed these.
Yes, I designed them with Legacy Forged.
Okay.
I usually buy rims from them the whole time, so they gave me the opportunity to create my own, being that I'm always building stuff. So they're called the LF Novas. If anybody's interested, you can also contact them. Legacy Forged.
Whole build just looks menacing. It looks So good. So you know what, guys? If you want to stay up to date, you want to keep track of what he's doing, make sure you go check out his YouTube channel. He's doing a really awesome job with this. And yeah, any last words, buddy?
If you want to see the whole process since I got it in my YouTube channel, it's a video called Trust the Process. Go check it out. You'll see from beginning to where he's at now.
Beautiful. And that's that.
Alright guys, I'm here recording from Queens, Flushing Meadows. And we're just having a good time, you know what I mean? We're not bothering nobody. But this video goes to RTLIFE. That Pro Charger looks sexy as hell, guys. Tell me not. Wide body, baby. OEM Hellcat style hood, front bumper, and wide body done by Sorona. The wheels are custom made. They are the LF Novas, made specially for me. They look sexy with the BBKs. Woo, sexy. Now let's take a look at the chasing taillights. Amazing. And look at that wide body, guys. Woo, look at them tires poking out. Alright guys, so you know what I'm saying? We right here, Flushing Meadows. And I'm bringing the car show to these guys, you know what I mean? All the kids taking pictures or whatnot. Everybody taking pictures, having a good time. Yo, but with that note, peace out. RTLIFE, thanks for the car review, much appreciated. All the way from Flushing, Queens, you heard? Peace out.